Welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. And today, on the students' request, I'm first of all coming up, about the syllabus discussion, because HPCL has introduced a new syllabus. Okay, for what all branches it is different, and what is the exam pattern. Okay, and how you should approach this examination. So that is why today we are not having that Openham question sessions. I will update you about that also, the Openham question sessions. Okay, but rather than that, today we are having this HPCL recruitment discussion. Of course, the details about recruitment, all those things you must be knowing, because that's a old story. Even I made a video on that earlier also. But what is the new syllabus? Okay, what is the exam pattern? Okay, and what is the preparation strategy? Okay, dates ki baat bhi karenge Shio. So quickly, you can share this video to your other friends, whoever might be appearing in this examination. Yes, very, very good evening, everyone. Come on, keep joining. All right. Just a moment, dear. Okay. Good evening, Kumar, Harihar, Shio, Ashok. Very good evening, all. Very, very good evening, everyone. Chalo. All right, so guys, let us get started then, talking about the details one by one. Okay, so first be clear about the pay and allowances, because this is what is something of your motivational level. Okay, so this is something to enhance your motivational level. So if you are selected, okay, as the engineer in HPCL, you will be under the E2 grade, with the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000. That is what normally most of the PSUs will offer you. Okay, the CTC will be 16.26 lakh, because in PSUs always, the CTC will matter rather than only looking into the basic pay or the in-hand salary, because there are a lot of additional benefits like HRA, DA, medical allowances, cafeteria, educational allowances, different types of insurance, traveling allowances, all these things are there. Okay, so if you accumulate all of them, so it's going to be a fancy package. The CTC overall will be 16.26 working in the HPCL. Okay, now this is just an additional information. Okay, the intent of this session is more talking about the syllabus and the exam pattern. Okay, no, Dinesh, it is independent of GATE. Separate examination is going to be conducted. Okay, now the highlights about the vacancy, you must be aware, but still let me give you again what are the number of vacancies. For instrumentation 36, electrical 16, mechanical 57, big one, and for civil it is 18. So for mechanical and instrumentation is good number of vacancies, and especially in instrumentation, guys, because the competition in instrumentation is relatively low. Of course, vacancies are decent across all branches, but mechanical and instrumentation is rather good, and especially why good in instrumentation, because the competition, number of aspirants, okay, having the full-time degree in instrumentation will be less as compared to other branches. And of course, okay, who will be appearing for this examination? See, examination, mostly these examinations are on short notice. Within 2 to 3 months, you can't prepare the complete technical. Okay, so कौन सा instrumentation engineering इस exam को approach करेगा? Most likely one who has prepared for GATE. Okay, so first of all, number of instrumentation engineers less. Those who prepared for GATE, again, very less. Okay, so for instrumentation engineering, it is a good opportunity that you can, fight for these 36 sites easily. Okay, so guys, now this is what is the vacancy details. Okay. Hi, Shan. What going on, Ocean? What are you talking about? The application process, enrollment process? Okay, so now guys, let's come to the important area, because this notification is already, we have discussed earlier also. Okay, so now let's talk about the selection process. One by one, I will show you the complete selection process. Okay, the complete selection process, and for that I will switch to the PDFs here, a lot of content here. So look into this. Okay, the selection, okay, for this particular case, engineering positions, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil and chemical, computer-based test will be there. Okay, a group task and personal interview. Okay, and of course, medical examination will be there. Rule out this moot code from you. This moot code is usually for, the law post and all. Okay, so forget this. Okay, but for the engineering positions, you can take computer-based test. Okay, that is the major thing. Okay, then a group task, personal interview, and the medical exam. So, first you have to qualify the CBT. Okay, then followed by interview, and then medical exam. It's mostly a formality for most of the cases. Okay, definitely, guys. If you are liking the standard book series, I'll plan, and I'll request other faculties also to plan for other subjects. Okay, so no, full, if you have complete 4 years full engineering degree, then you are eligible. Portions, okay? So this is what it is. Now, what is that personal interview? Or sorry, what is that computer-based test? What is the nature of this? Okay, so they have uploaded this. I think, the website started working today. It was off for a few days. Okay, but the pattern, there is no really change in the pattern here. Okay, so 85 MSQs and 85 MSQs. That is total 170 MCQs, sorry. There is total 170 MCQs. Okay, similar to last year. Okay, out of this 170, 85 are of general aptitude. So straight away, guys, 50% weightage is aptitude. Okay, and 50% weightage is for your technical knowledge for your respective particular branch. Whatever your branch may be electrical or maybe instrumentation or civil or mechanical. Right. So this is what is the exam pattern and 150 minutes. Okay. Till last year, 2022 or 21, as far as I remember, there was no negative marking. But this time, they have clearly mentioned negative marking. Okay, 0.25 will be deducted for every incorrect answer. For every incorrect answer, 0.25, 1/4 negative mark. And the marking scheme is 1 marker question. All the questions will be 1 marker. Okay, now 170 MCQs in 150 minutes. So what is the level? Okay, let me tell you that the technical level, okay, the subject level is actually simple. Okay. No, application form is closed ocean. Okay, only thing is syllabus they have updated now. Okay. So dear, okay, 150 minutes and 170 MCQs. यहीं से समझ में आना चाहिए कि level will not be that great. But let me tell you very clearly that technical level is very easy. Most of the questions are straightforward, factual, formula based. If there is numerical, it is mostly formula based. Otherwise, there is direct theory or factual question as well. Okay. But if you talk about the aptitude, okay, 85 questions of aptitude, and even I have discussed some of the aptitude questions live on YouTube. Really, aptitude level is not that easy. I mean, easy ही है, but not like कि every question can be solved in less than 1 minute, because the ratio is 170 questions in 150 minutes. Okay, so for every question you have less than a minute. Okay, for every question it's like you have less than a minute. So not all questions of aptitude are that level which are less than a minute. Okay, so what I will suggest you is here. Technical, of course, you should try to attempt all the questions because technical will be simple here. Aptitude may quickly attempt first those questions which you feel you are really confident about, because 85 MCQs, there may be some areas you're not that confident about, क्योंकि हर question उतना easy नहीं है. I mean, easy is there, but not every question is less than 1 minute. Okay, so that is a very important deciding factor. Okay, determining the rank of this examination, and negative marking is also there. Please take a note of it. Okay, so PWD candidates will be given additional 50 minutes time over the 150 minutes of time. Now, general aptitude का जो paper है, okay, that will be based on problems, question on intellectual potential test, that is logical reasoning and DI. Okay, logical reasoning and DI, quantitative aptitude, English will also be there. Okay. So basically it's like complete gate syllabus of aptitude, you can say. Quant, DI, logical reasoning, verbal part. Okay, so if you are done with the gate level aptitude also, then you need not do any other things. So, okay, just go through the previous, and you can easily find the previous year papers of HPCL. You can download from the internet. You can go through the previous year aptitude papers. Okay, and you can just practice the aptitude questions for every branch. Okay, you have electrical, you have instrumentation, you have mechanical, civil, so many questions, 85 questions in every paper. You can take 2021 papers also. So aptitude, if you are prepared for GATE, only go through the PYQs of HPCL. Last 2-3 years PYQs aptitude, you will be done. Okay, so main focus on technical को अच्छे से revise करो. Okay, revise and GATE 1 marker question. That should be the focus. I'll talk about that strategy also. Okay, now what about the knowledge based paper? I mean your technical paper. Aptitude का syllabus तो मैंने बता दिया. Okay, aptitude का syllabus तो मैंने बता दिया. Okay, so I'll be, the syllabus for respective branches have been already hosted on the website, and I will tell you that. Okay, I will tell you that we are going to discuss that as well. Okay. Chalo. Now, computer-based test qualifying marks are also mentioned. Okay. Okay, so overall in the CBT, including aptitude plus technical, 60% you should have scored. Okay, 60% you should have scored. That is 90 marks. 150 marks ka hai na? Sorry, 150 is the minutes. I'm sorry. Okay, 150 is the minutes, not 150 marks. So, kitne marks ka tha? 170 MCQs na? Okay, so it should be 170, it should be 102. 102 marks to minimum cutoff hai. Okay, overall qualifying marks, okay, for the general unreserved candidates is 102. Okay, 102. right? Now technical professional logic, and at least 50%. Okay, at least 50%. Matlab out of the 85, okay, 42.5. Out of the 85, 42.5. Minimum 50% is required there as well. Okay. So now, candidates qualifying the computer-based test in order of merit and predetermined ratio will be subsequently advised to upload the supporting documents for respective position. These are all formalities. Okay. So yeah, minimum qualifying marks in CBT ke liye, that is very important. Okay. So you have to be careful that you don't lose marks because of the negative schemes. Okay. Now let us come to, okay, now that will be the final cutoff. This is the minimum qualifying marks. Okay, that is the minimum qualifying marks, Harshit. What is the meaning of minimum qualifying marks? Okay, suppose I want to recruit for 10 seats. Okay, I want to recruit for 10 seats. Okay, suppose 20 candidates crossed this level. Suppose 20 crossed this level. Okay, so 20 can be called for interview. Yeah, maybe a little bit more also if they crossed. And finally 10 will be selected based on the interview. Okay, but suppose I want to select 10 engineers. Okay, but only 5 of them, okay, crossed 102 marks. Okay, rest 5 will not be selected. My vacancies will be left. Getting it? So this is the minimum qualifying marks. What you are telling is the cutoff. Okay, ठीक है कि 10 20 लोग देने आए. Okay, so not everybody will be selected, na? Okay, so who were the final selected? It depends like that, है ना? It depends. Okay. So normally the students call for interviews in the ratio 1:5. Okay. Normally it is in the ratio of 1:5. Okay. So based on that, the final cutoff is decided how many can be called for interview. But this is what is minimum qualifying marks that I was telling. Okay. Now, okay. So this is the selection process. Okay. Now let us discuss the syllabus part. Okay. Now let us discuss the syllabus part. Okay, so for the syllabus part, we have to go to the individuals. Okay, so if I go to the individuals, वो भी मैंने ready रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Okay, first of all, coming to the electrical engineering. Okay, first of all, coming to the syllabus of electrical engineering, and there isn't any significant change here. Okay, at the subject level, all of them remains to be same. Yes, there is still the electric circuits, that is the networks. Okay, it is still there. Okay, machines is there, the core part is there, machines is there, power system is there. It was there last year also. Power electronics also there. Okay, measurement is there and EMFT is there. Okay, so no control, no signal. It's purely core part. Okay, majorly core part for the electrical machines, power system, power electronics, measurement. And other than that, okay, electromagnetic field theory. Okay, again up to the gate syllabus only, not the EC syllabus. Only the electrostats and magnetostats is there mostly. And other than that, network. Only 6 subjects are there for electrical. So it's a small syllabus and you can take the benefit of this because you can prepare it in less time. You can revise it in the less time. Okay, क्या revise करना है and what all to practice I will tell you. Okay, first let us talk about the syllabus. So for electrical, if I compare to last year also, there is no major change. Okay, and the syllabus remains to be pretty much similar. Okay, and it's a subset of the gate syllabus. But the major worry is for instrumentation and also for mechanical guys. Okay, now if you talk about instrumentation, okay, like measurement, okay, and even they have mentioned some subtopics, but measurement is one very core area of instrumentation branch, not to be worrying about. Analog electronics, okay, even in gate, the weightage of analog is good for instrumentation students. Okay, so analog is okay. Okay, next aa jayenge. So next is digital electronics, no problem. Okay, logic, family, combinational, sequentials, analysis of sequential, PLDs, everything is like the gate syllabus only. Okay, then again, this is also not a matter of worry for instrumentation. That is the transducers, sensors, actuators, and automation. Okay, this is manageable. Automatic control system and feedback control system. So this is like just control system only. Okay, the complete control system. Okay, it is there, including the block diagram, signal flow graph, time response, stability, root locus, frequency response. Okay, feedback and control system. Frequency response ke andar you can include the Nyquist and Bode as well. Okay, importance and classification of control system, dynamics of electrical mechanical system, the modeling also that you cover with the ESE syllabus, open and closed loop system. So control system is there. Okay, process control, this is also okay. This is not much. Process loop components are there. Okay, microprocessor and microcontroller. Now microprocessor, okay, and microcontrollers, including the microcontroller. Okay, this is something that you have to focus little bit extra. Okay, power electronics and drives for instrumentation students. For instrumentation students, ये एक extra part हो जाएगा आपके लिए. Okay, looking into instrumentation students. Okay, industrial automation, programming logic control and application. Okay, so detailed industrial application they are including. The complete detailed application. Okay, so ये भी आपके लिए एक separate, almost it's like a separate headache for you. Okay, almost. And some of the topics are relatable, but mostly you have to focus this. But let me tell you, mostly theoretical questions can also be expected from here. Okay, analytical instrumentation. ओके, एनालिटिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन, यहाँ पे भी मोस्टली आपको एफर्ट्स देना है. ओके, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड सिस्टम डिजाइन. तो सी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, ओके, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू आर एबल टू फील, okay, will be additional here. Okay, will be additional. Optimization and optimal control, process instrumentation, process control, that is still okay. Okay, industrial automation को इतना ज़्यादा डिटेल में इंक्लूड कर दिया है. Okay, programming engineering now, and management. Okay, ठीक है. Industrial IoT. Okay, the IoT. So you can feel like some of the topics of engineering services paper number 1. Okay, like IoT you study commonly there as well. Okay, management, engineering and management is there. Okay, now completely see now what they have included: soft computing, artificial intelligence and machine learning for process control. Although it is for process control, but see what all you have to study. I don't know what they have included: artificial intelligence, neural network, fuzzy logic. Okay, so this is totally a headache. Okay, and basics of programming, not only C, Python will definitely be required because they have included ML here. So the syllabus for instrumentation is like really huge. Okay, it's really huge. Okay, and they are notifying not even with the notification. The notification, I think, of HPCL was released somewhere in August, as far as I remember. The notification of HPCL was in August, dear. Okay, and the syllabus they are coming up is in October. Okay, exam kab hoga? Exam can be expected around December. Okay, last year it was November, but last year the notification also came up in June, July. The last year exam was conducted on 1st of November, 1st November to 4th November. This time, okay, let's expect July, let's expect December, sorry. But still, if that is the case, why you are giving the syllabus at mid of October? Okay, if you have to add so much of these topics, so why you are giving the syllabus at the mid of October when almost we can say 1.5 to 2 months left? Okay, how, of course, it's a good opportunity for instrumentation, but how an engineer will going to study so much of extra topics which he has not studied for the gate preparation, and many of them you don't study in your engineering also for the instrumentation 4 years of tenure. So this is little unjustified actually. This is little unjustified. Okay, and if you talk about the civil syllabus, there isn't any much extra highlights. Okay, the structural engineering, it is a part of GATE completely. Okay, including structural analysis, solid mechanics, engineering mechanics, construction materials, construction management, concrete structure, steel is there. Okay, RCC is there, geotech, complete soil mechanics and foundation engineering, water resource management, fluid, hydraulics, hydrology, environment engineering, water and waste, air pollution, municipal solid wastes. Okay, transportation engineering we have, geomatics like surveying is still there. Okay, building architecture and maintenance work. I think this is, an innovative technology in construction. Okay, these are something, some extra parts that can be there, but most of the syllabus of civil is common. Most of the syllabus of civil is just common. Okay, it's just common. Mechanical ke liye again, so where the more vacancies are there, instrumentation and mechanical, there they have put up the lot of thing. Okay, ab dekhoge aap yahan pe in mechanical, applied mechanics and design. Okay, this is still okay. TOM, mechanics of material, engineering mechanics, vibration, machine design, fluid mechanics and thermal science. Okay, you have FM, you have heat transfer, you have thermodynamics and all its application. Okay, material manufacturing, industrial, that is also okay. Material science and production, this is also okay for mechanical guys. ओके, यहां तक भी ठीक है. ओके, नाउ कम टू दिस पार्ट. यहां पे आ जाते हैं थोड़ा सा. ठीक है, बेसिक्स ऑफ एनर्जी एंड एनवायरमेंट, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, मटेरियल साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग. ओके, एनर्जी एनवायरमेंट, स्टैंडर्ड एंड क्वालिटी प्रैक्टिसेस, मटेरियल साइंस, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, आईसीटी, इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, एथिक्स. Okay, why they are demanding this? Okay, and again, if they are demanding, they should notify earlier. Okay, and this is the engineering services paper 1, and not only ESE paper 1. Now, what they are expecting from the mechanical engineer? Okay, basic electrical engineering. Okay, ठीक है, पूरा network machines. Okay, they have included. Okay, induction machine, synchronous machine, DC machine. Okay, computer organization and architecture. Okay, the computer science part is also there. Basic civil engineering, surveying, construction materials, cement, concrete. Okay, what all not. Okay, construction practice, planning and project management, renewable sources of energy. So again, for mechanical students also, it is not a justice, I believe, because if you have to do, you do anything, you can take any sort of exam, but you have to notify the students earlier. Let's see what the exam date turns up, but I think it can be maximum up to December, not beyond that. They will try to complete the recruitment as quickly as possible. Last year also the exam was 1st November, started on 1st November, so इस बार December से ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. So especially for mechanical and instrumentation guys, it's a huge burden of the syllabus. That's what Lavana, they have not announced the date also. But yes, we can expect December. That's what I'm telling. Okay, most likely first half of the December, but worst case December के अंदर हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, so guys, summarizing up, electrical, no syllabus change. Civil, just minor change in syllabus, that is okay. But instrumentation and mechanical, huge syllabus changes, huge extra topics like instrumentation, so much of industrial things they have added, and along with that, the fuzzy logic, neural networks, machine learning, artificial intelligence, C programming, Python programming. Okay, so it's becoming very difficult for instrumentation. And mechanical में lots of ESE paper one topic, and electrical engineering में mechanical में डाल दिया, COA डाल दिया. Okay, basic civil also, and under basic civil they have given a lot of things here. So very difficult syllabus for instrumentation and mechanical especially. Okay. No. Today I have come up with this HPCL because syllabus students were wanting me to discuss some syllabus updates. Signal का class आगे ले लेंगे अनंता. Okay, need not worry about that. ठीक है जी. चलो, so guys, that's what it is. Okay, so now what your roadmap for the preparation is. Now whatever, I don't think you can focus much on the additional topics. Okay, so at least your gate subjects, okay, you keep revising up. Again, I'm repeating you. Okay, practice and test यहाँ पे करते रहना. But okay, from where to practice? Okay, from where to practice? Gate 1 markers. Technical की बात करूँ मैं अगर, if you want to talk about the technical practice, gate 1 marker, okay, plus HPCL PYQs. Okay, 2021 and 2022. ये 2 साल के तो at least कर लेना. You can go for the 2 years. ठीक है. If you want to talk about the aptitude practice, okay, only HPCL PYQs. Only HPCL PYQs of all branches. Easily paper are available. You can download of all branches because every branch will have purely 85 questions of aptitude. No, Jagdish, no. Okay, so HPCL PYQs of all branches. Okay, along with that, keep appearing in some of the tests. Now, concepts की बात करें, you have to just focus on the revision of gate and ESE notes. Gate and ESE notes. Okay, that is what your target should be. Okay, but now suppose, okay, what about the extra syllabus for instrumentation or for mechanical? What my suggestion will be, because extra is also not little extra, na? It's a big extra thing. तो पहले तो जो भी आपका गेट और ESE का syllabus है, that is already included. Now first revise it thoroughly. We don't know when the exam date can be announced. If maybe it is later, let's say exam happens after 5 months, I don't know. Mostly December में होगा, but suppose worst case exams happen after 5 months, so you will get a lot of time. But the first priority is exam can come up anytime, maybe within a month also. So completely do the revision of your gate and ESE notes, okay, and solve these technical gate 1 marker questions and HPCL PYQs of 21 and 22. Okay, and for aptitude solve the HPCL PYQs of all branches along with the revision of your gate notes. इतना कर लो पहले. Okay. This itself will take some time for you. Okay, do this much. That's what my advice will be. And once you are done with this much of the part, okay, then plan for the extra syllabus. Okay, and extra syllabus maybe also just go through what can be your comfort zone. Okay, and accordingly choose the subject. 1 by 1 extra syllabus karo, but I don't suggest it right now. Let the exam date come. Okay, we can discuss then. Okay, but first priority is exam can happen anytime, maybe 1 month or maybe 1.5 months. So what you can do is revision of gate and ESE notes, quickly start it. Okay, quickly start the revision of gate and ESE notes and starts solving this. That's what my honest advice is. आगे फिर देखते हैं हम लोग. Okay, because really it's a disappointing syllabus to be honest. I mean for mechanical and instrumentation. But no worries guys. एक चीज बोलता हूँ मैं. It is not a syllabus for an individual. They have made it okay. They also might be looking into such candidates having the proficiency in this. That is okay. Only thing that is not okay is they have notified the syllabus later. There's no problem with the syllabus. Whatever they want, whatever proficiency they are looking from you, that is all okay. That is up to them. Okay, but the only problem is कि notification of the exam has already come up 1.5 months back. I think August में notify कर दिया था HPCL that exam is going to be there. Okay, so syllabus also should come up nearly that time. So why there is a 2 months delay in syllabus? That is the only thing I felt not correct here. But other than that, guys, okay, let them ask whatever they want. But this syllabus is not only for you. This syllabus is not for one student. If it is an extra burden syllabus, it is extra for all. It is extra for all. See, if you are an instrumentation student, Trust me that all other instrumentation students around you, 99% at least, exception chhod dete hain, 99% will be those who don't know artificial intelligence, machine learning, C programming. Yeah, basic C programming, they must be still knowing, but Python. Many, actually most of the aspirants, 99% aspirants are unaware about the extra syllabus. So it is not only increased for you, it is increased for all. Similarly, if you're a mechanical engineer, okay, most of the mechanical engineers, again 99%, they will not be clear about the COA, the basic electrical engineering part, and etc. Okay, so it is equal. The syllabus has been increased, but it is equal for all. Okay, you need not worry about it. वो सबके लिए बड़ा है, केवल आपके लिए नहीं बड़ा है, वो सबके लिए बड़ा है. Okay, so your focus should be, as I'm telling you, first at least be thorough with the GATE and ESC notes, completely revise it and do this much of the practice. Okay, and keep solving them test. Once you are done with that, and then see exam date yet not announced, and exam still has maybe 1 month more left. Okay, then one by one you can cover up the extra subjects, and that too at the basic level. ये भी बोल देता हूँ, whatever extra subjects are there, they will be on the basic level. Okay, they will be on the basic level. ठीक है, they will be mostly on the basic level. Ritu, specifically I don't remember, but I think it will be 27. You better check kar leta, because most of the PSUs have 27. Okay, but yeah, let me give you a clear answer only, na. Okay, why to have a approximate answer? Just a second, I'll give you that answer. I have this. I have all the PDF. Oh, it's 25 actually. Mechanical, electrical, instrumentation. It's 25 actually. Okay, Ritu, it's 25. The age limit is 25. Okay. So I did not talk about age limit and all because the notification we have already discussed earlier. So guys, this was the syllabus updates from HPCL. Okay, nothing good for students. It's actually astonishing, but whatever it is, again, it is equal for all. What your approach should be right now, I clearly told you. Focus on these areas first. Okay, step by step prepare karo. Let's wait for the exam date. Whenever exam date is there, I'll update you. But I am expecting, you know, I may be wrong, but I am expecting December. में एग्जाम हो जाना चाहिए, so you don't have a lot of time also. Okay, so whatever extra syllabus, it is for all, it is not only for you. Please remember that fact and be motivated, because ultimately whenever you're preparing for any exam, okay, that internal confidence has to be there. Because if you're just demotivated ki yaar, lot of extra things, will I be able to do it or not, guys? Lot of extra things for all. Okay, so you have to be internally motivated, then only you can achieve success in any part, whether it is GATE preparation or ESC preparation or whatever preparation. Okay, that's what my advice will be. ठीक है जी, that's it from my side. It's a small session. If you have any more queries, you can ask me, or else, okay, we shall conclude the session. Okay. Done है. Chalo. All right, guys. So thank you. Hope you got the syllabus updates and information. Okay, nothing so great here, but some important updates I thought of notifying you. Bye. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Be motivated. Don't worry. Okay, if it is, again I repeat, and the last, if it is an extra syllabus, it is a burden for instrumentation and mechanical. It is there for all students. You are not unique. Everybody will be facing this problem. Okay, who is the winner? Who is going to fight this problem? Okay, who will be the winner? Who is a true champion every time? Who comes up with a solution that, yes, whatever possible, up to an extent, I will cover the syllabus. First, I will focus on the GATE and ESC part, and then, as per time permits, I will cover the extra syllabus also. Okay, bye.